Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. It's time to get ready for the deals for next week at CVS and look at 7 amazing must-do deals. Some of these are using digital coupons and some are using some CVS CRTs, of course. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. There's so many amazing things going on with my channel and my Instagram. We have giveaways going on every single week. There is a giveaway that will be ending on Sunday. I will be choosing the winner in my CVS haul video on the 6th. So there's still time to enter that giveaway. If you haven't done so in my CVS haul video from this week, it will be linked below in the description box. We got so many amazing freebies in the CVS haul video, so definitely check it out. Ibotta was super good to us this week as well with an amazing Ibotta bonus video that I did earlier this week. So if you've missed any of those, if you've been super busy catching up after the holidays like myself, of course they will be linked at the end of this video for you as well. And on Saturday, we are going to be doing another giveaway of more of the gift baskets. I have a new gift basket idea video made from my stockpile that a lot of you guys requested. So that is going to be posted on Saturday, so stay tuned for that. We are getting 2 coupon inserts on Sunday with hot coupons. $5 Nexus, 5 off 2 Tresemme. We also have buy one, get one free on Degree and buy one, get one free on Axe, I think it was. Really, really great coupons. I posted it on my Instagram. They are up on BQ Savings. That's where I order my inserts online because I don't get Retail Me Not inserts. So if you want to order some coupon inserts, my link is going to be below in the description box. And use code BREE10 and you'll get 10% off your order as well. I usually get mine in 2 days, which is amazing. I always order them usually Wednesday and I get them Friday. So plenty of time to be able to put together your hauls on Sunday if you shop on Sunday like I do. So let's go ahead and dive into these amazing deals. So the first deal I posted on my Instagram to hold the CRT or the instant coupon from the current week. If you haven't gone to CVS yet, definitely stop in just to print out your CRTs and your instant coupons. We have a 2 off of 2 Hershey Kisses instant coupon from this week. And next week is a better time to use it because they are buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, and the deal is a limit of 1. So what you can do, grabbing 2 of them at $6, using that instant coupon, you'll pay $4, get back a $2 extra buck, making a final cost $2 for both or $1 each. The Reese's are included as well, so those are always nice for stocking stuffers or if you want to add them in little gift baskets for the holidays. Definitely a great item to stock up on. Tide Simply and Bounce. I thought this was an amazing deal. The current week at Dollar General, there is a glitch on the Tide Simply Pods. I posted it earlier today in my $5 challenge video. We got Tide, we got all detergent. There's like 9 items I picked up today for my $5 challenge, which was amazing. So I would recommend if you want to get some Tide Simply Pods, you can get them at Dollar General for 99 cents this week. If you like the Tide Simply Liquid, you can get Bounce or the Unstoppables. Next week at CVS, they're just $2.94, and we're getting $1 off coupons in the Retail Me Not. That'll make it just $1.94, which I think is an amazing, amazing deal for some laundry products. L'Oreal Facial Care. I know a lot of us have been getting some great facial care CRTs for L'Oreal. The current week at CVS, I added it in my spend 30, get a $10 extra buck deal, and it wound up turning out amazing. Next week, it's on a deal for spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. So those items are included. It says any L'Oreal. So the Age Perfect, the cleansers, you name it, are included. So what I'm going to do is pick up one of the Age Perfect moisturizers for $21.49. I use this when I go to bed, typically as my night routine because my skin is always so dry after I take a shower. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite facial moisturizer is. I know a lot of people use Aveeno as well. So let me know. I'm always curious. I like to try different facial cleansers and lotions, creams, things like that. Then I'm going to grab 2 of the Ideal Clean Cleansers for $4.39 each. That'll bring your total to $30.27. If you have a $6 Age Perfect CRT, definitely add that with this deal. And if you have two 5 off 15 L'Oreal facial care deals, you can add that in as well because you're spending $30. So when you're doing spend amount CRTs, these are spend amount CRTs. You're getting $5 off when you spend $15. But we're spending $30. So 15 plus 15 is 30. So we're good to go. You can use both of them. You'll pay $14.27, get back a $10 extra buck and a $3 beauty buck for spending at least $30 in CVS Beauty. So your final cost is 42 cents each. I'm going to be putting some of these in a gift basket on Saturday, so stay tuned for that. This is included in this week's Spend 30, Get a $10 extra buck. It has this little symbol right here. The Tide Liquid and Tide Pods are included as well. So this could be a good example. I'm going to have some other scenarios on Sunday in my CVS haul video, and I always have a printable breakdown in those haul videos as well. So we are getting an amazing $5 off to Tresemme coupon in our Retail Me Not insert, which I'm so excited about. Unfortunately, a lot of regions don't get the Retail Me Not insert. I feel like it's because it's packed with so many great coupons. My region included, I don't get the Retail Me Not insert. So that's why I started ordering them online. So definitely order your coupons, or you can use thecouponmarketplace.com to buy individual coupons if you want to just buy like one Tresemme, one Nexus, things like that. So a link for that is below as well, and my code for that is BREE2020, and you'll get 10% off of that order. So what you're going to do is grab two of the Tresemme 28 ounce. My store, they're $4.98. The second one would be $2.49. because they're buy one, get one half off. And when you buy two, you'll get a $2 extra buck. So using that amazing high value coupon, you'll pay $2.48, get back a $2 extra buck, making it 24 cents for a big bottle of shampoo and conditioner, which I think is amazing. I did check Ibotta. There are dollar rebates right now, but it says it expires in 3 days and it's only Wednesday. So I'm assuming they're going to expire on Saturday. If they're still available come Sunday morning, that would be amazing. And that would of course make this a nice moneymaker of $1.42 or something. $1.52 moneymaker. So we'll have to check on Sunday, see if that rebate is still available. You can also pair this in with a hair care CRT if you do this deal and another hair care deal. So keep that in mind when you're looking at your CRTs on Sunday and putting together your deals. Nexus, I wanted to put this one out there for you guys. Typically, we get a spend 20, get a $10 extra buck, which is obviously a better deal. But I know a lot of you love Nexus, and this is still a really, really great deal. Walgreens has a great deal next week on it as well. And if you do that with the Rakuten deal for spend 40, get $40 cash back, it's going to wind up being a moneymaker. So I'm going to be putting together another Rakuten video for you guys. That spend 40, get $40 cash back deal ends at the end of this month. So I don't want you guys to miss out on a free $40 of items for yourself, gifts for your friends and family, you name it. So I will definitely be having that posted either later this week or next week. So what you can do for this deal is grab two of the shampoos at $14.99 each. That'll be $29.98. We are getting $5 coupons in our Retail Me Not insert. Using two of those, I believe the limit is 2. We'll have to check the coupons on Sunday. And if you have a 5 off 20 Nexus CRT or hair care CRT, definitely add that with this deal. You'll pay $14.98, get back a $5 extra buck, making your final cost just $4.99 each. This will track towards CVS Beauty as well. So if you do this deal and like the Tresemme, for example, you'll be hitting $30 again and you'll get another $3 beauty back. So that's why this deal could wind up being worth it. It can help you hit beauty again. The $3 beauty buck would wind up making these about $3.49 each, so definitely a better deal. Schick disposable razors, they kind of got us on this one because they're $6.99 and the deal is, oh, I put BOGO50, that's wrong. Okay, I fixed it. So they are spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, but they're on sale for $6.99. So you'd have to grab 3 of them. The only way I would do this deal is if you have a 3 off 12 razor CRT and a 4 off of 2 Skintimate CRT. So what you can do, we are getting $3 coupons as well. They're typically a limit of 2. So fingers crossed, sometimes when they have this deal, we will get free printable coupons from coupons.com. So you'll wind up paying $7.97, getting back a $5 extra buck, making it 99 cents each, which I think is an amazing deal for razors because they're very expensive. So I definitely think this deal is worth doing if you have these coupons and CRTs. This is using one of the amazing BOGO coupons we are getting on Sunday in our Retail Me Not insert. So it says select Dove, Degree, and Axe deodorant are buy one, get one half off, and buy two, get a $2 extra back. So we'll have to make sure that the Degree deodorants that are working with the coupon are included. I looked up on CVS.com. It shows there's $6.99. You're going to want to get one women's and one men's. The men's would be half off. The buy one, get one free coupon is going to take off the lesser value, so $3.49 will come off. Sometimes the BOGO coupons glitch and take off the full amount, so I'll let you know again on Sunday how that winds up working out. If the deal goes this way, you'll pay $6.99, get back a $2 extra buck, and submit to Fetch Rewards for 1,250 points each on the Degree deodorant. That'll give you $2.50 back, making them $1.25 each. And if you're new to Fetch, here is my code, J24VT. Submit your first receipt within about 7 days, I think is the limit, and you'll get another 2,750 points. That is how I pay $0 when I shop at CVS. I use Fetch Rewards. I scan all of my receipts from couponing, shopping, you name it, rack up points, and I get CVS gift cards. I use it right from the app. I don't have to print out the gift card or anything like that. They scan it, and I walk out of CVS with hundreds of dollars of products, and I pay nothing out of pocket, which is absolutely amazing. So definitely get that downloaded if you haven't yet. It's super easy to use. If you need a video on how to use the Fetch Rewards app, you can always head over to my website, BrieCouponQueen.com. There's a rebate apps tab at the top, and there's videos on how to use swag bucks, how to use Fetch Rewards, Ibotta, the coupons.com app is on there as well. So those are all of the deals I have for getting us ready for next week. If you're not a current subscriber, I'd love to have you as part of the channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't entered in my giveaways yet, you can click the CVS haul video on the top left, enter in that one. And the Rakuten giveaway for a $100 gift card is still going on as well. So you can click the video in the top right and get those entered. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button if you love the videos in this deal. I will see you guys next time.